In all my years of climbing, I don't think I've seen another climber quite as hungry for it as Marc-Andre. He's got this headspace that nobody else seems to have. Nothing phases him. Marc doesn't just solo the ice, he goes out and he solos like mixed routes.
With mixed climbing, it's the whole mentality of the ice doesn't have to be fully formed to be climbed.
Instead of embedding your picks in the ice, you're just kind of placing them on these little rock edges. That adds another dimension of insecurity.